2014 Toyota Corolla LE, engine oil change and maintenance required lamp reset. On this model, the maintenance required lamp is also the engine oil change lamp. Start the engine to verify that the lamp is staying on, and press display to get to the odometer mode. Maintenance required and engine oil change lamp. Click until you get to the odometer. Then with the engine off, key on and pressing and holding display, meaning press and hold display and turn the key on, but do not start the engine. Notice the maintenance required lamp is blinking and the odometer shows lines and then all zeros. Release display and then turn the key to the off position. Once completed, restart the engine and verify that the maintenance required lamp turns off and stays off with the engine running.